Hi, it's Andy at Martin Atkinson's Specialist Vans. Delighted to show you around today a lovely 2017 Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. This one's the desirable Highline bi-turbo model, 204 PS, with a huge factory spec and a load of genuine ABT extras too. So just going to walk you around it panel by panel, tell you about the spec and show you the condition. As you can see, it's got genuine ABT front end. Now this is no cheap kit to, for those of you in the know, you'll know that an ABT kit including grille, fully painted and fitted, is in excess of £5,000. So it's quite an investment. This one's got the Petronas green accents on it with black ABT badging. Front parking sensors, as you can see, which were an option on this. Got 20-inch Momo alloy wheels in matte black, looks super, with Pirelli P0 tyres on there. Those tyres are nearly new all round as well. Sidebars and roof rails. Now the roof rails have got 4 crossbars on, so perfect if you carry paddleboards, kayaks, surfboards, anything like that. Just tie them on and away you go. It's got the full gloss black styling pack as well. All the matte plastics have been glossed, including on the lower grills as well. Just finishes it off lovely. Show you down the lines there, there's no dents. Don't get me wrong, this vehicle is 5.5 years old, so I'm sure if you go around it microscopically, you will find the odd touched in little scratch or chip. It's covered 53,000 miles, but as you can hopefully see from this video, paintwork is in superb order. Showing in the back here, it's got the 2+1 seating system, so this seat does lever up to allow you access to the rear. It's also fully carpet lined with the suede lined roof. Got these nice Petronas green accents throughout it as well. Also got the expensive sort of cassette surrounds and window blinds in there as well. So with a bed, Kombi bed in the back of it, could easily be used as a day van just with overnight capability. It's also had a leisure battery and inverter placed under the double seat. So you can just see here you've got a 3-pin socket and also USB charging points there as well. Not a cheap job to do that. Double seat and single in the front, so 6-seater in total. As you can see, this has been left standard. The owner's preference was for a cloth interior. Now, if you do want that doing in leather, please talk to us. We can do that for you at an additional cost if required. So factory extras, it's got the comfort dash, same as the Caravel. Front and rear park sensors. This one's also got the Discover Media nav system and the twin electric sliding doors. A lovely spec. Also the carpet in the front cab there. It's worth noting this has been lowered on Van Slam coilovers, so it sits nice and low. ABT rear spoiler there too. The rest of the gloss black pack. Has got a carbon fibre effect rear bumper protector, just stopping nasty scratches, and also a rear camera. Moving into the rear, just going to pop the lights on. So as you can see, fully carpeted throughout. It's got the speakers there on the side. Again, some nice Petronas screen cutouts. Look really professional, those actually. And also got USB point there and USB and 12-volt point just over there. So really functional. Tailgate has got 2 LED lights in it too, and again a cassette with the blinds. I'm just going to show you those blinds. They keep the colour match going with all the accents. Really tastefully done. Just show you driver's side. Again, dent free down there. Just going to go along the panels. If I spot anything, I will point it out to you. Nothing is jumping out at me so far. Just going to show you the side profile of this vehicle. Stands really well with the full blacked out look. Another thing we can do is we can colour the calipers for you professionally at the body shop. That again is an optional extra. Just talk to us if you're interested in that. Mileage today, 53,869. This has got cruise control, multifunction steering wheel as well. Another optional extra is a carbon leather wheel. We can do those. There's the driver's seat, all in good order. Now this does have a full service history. I believe it was pre-registered and then one private owner from new. Cambelt and DSG service done, so the important maintenance work's been done. Oh, forgot to mention the LED lights at the front there as well, another expensive option. But just a stunning, stunning looking van. Now we've got 20 plus photos and a full written description on our website, which is martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. We can provide finance facilities and we do welcome part exchanges. So if you're interested in this vehicle, please do get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.